Now, this is something that's asked by some of my friends, or when I go for a networking session, some of my other peers, they would ask, how do you make use of AI when you want to craft a speech and you want it within a short period of time? So I often see AI not as a replacement of human beings, but more so as a powerful personal assistant. And I think the individual who's going to get that competitive advantage would be the individual who's able to make use of AI, this very powerful personal assistant, to be able to reach your speech goals and objectives. So what are some strategies? The first one would be take note of the context. You can use the who, the what, as well as the how. So at the start, what you want to do is the who. You want to share with ChatGPT in your typing of the prompts, who are you? For instance, you can say, I'm a public speaking coach. So tell ChatGPT who you are. That's going to be very important. Next, the what. What exactly are your speech objectives? So you could say, I'm a public speaking instructor. I've been teaching for the past 15 years and I need to craft a speech to inspire students on the importance of learning public speaking skills. So that is the what. What's the speech objective? And then the how. I would like for this speech style to perhaps be a more humorous one, to be a more inspirational one, to be a more motivational kind, basically telling us what kind of speech genre you're looking out for. So the who, the what, and the how is going to be very, very powerful right from the start. Now, the second hack would be making use of the problem solution impact framework. So once you have typed the who, the what, and the how at the start, tell ChatGPT, craft a 2 to 3 minute speech. Or you can give the exact word count, craft a 250 word or craft a 500 word speech using the problem solution impact framework, where we talk about the problems that students face nowadays, the kind of solution, perhaps 3 quick tips that we want to share with them, and then the impact that that's going to have on their objectives, the impact it's going to have when they go for a job interview, the impact it's going to have in terms of the grades they're going to get for that particular in-class presentation. So use that framework. Now, the third hack would be, once you've prompted ChatGPT with the first 2 prompts, you can click enter, and then ChatGPT will give you a draft, right? A preliminary draft. Now you take a look at that and you can ask for revisions. The cool thing is, when you ask for revisions, you can get the revised version within a very short period of time. Right? Isn't ChatGPT a very powerful personal assistant? So the next thing that you want to do is to tell ChatGPT, and this is the third hack, it's come up with a smooth transition, or come up with 3 different transitions from the problem to the solution, or from the solution to link it with the impact. And you see the suggestions that ChatGPT gives to you, and then you can see which one suits you best. Now, there's one more bonus hack, which is you can even ask ChatGPT to come up with an inspirational introduction, within the first 50 to 100 words. That would also be very helpful. And there you have it. Within a short period of time, your 1 to 2 minute speech will be crafted, and it will be one that you're given specific instructions, specific context as to who you are, what is it for, and then how, the style they're going to use it for. So I hope these 3 ChatGPT hacks, they're useful for you. Feel free to let me know if you'd like to find out more tips and more strategies.